Christmas list. I asked for a bunch of stuff. And I don't know what else to write. I don't know. I'm thinking. Oh, a tablet. Tablet. Bluebird. I wrote my Christmas list. Hey, Orangebird, what did you ask for?
Garfield!
I guess that's cool.
Hey guys, you doing good on your Christmas lists?
Yeah.
Orangebird, what are you doing? Fabulous! I could be supermodel helicopter. Rig-a-dig-a-dig-a-dig-a-dig. Ah, oh God. Ah. Oh great, he hurt himself again. Here, I'll go put him to bed or something. Hey Bluebird, guess what? Santa got you a really early Christmas present.
You know, that's actually the worst excuse to make these videos not have too much cutaways, so, you know, let's just get this over with.
Well, you see, I'm lazy, and we didn't have enough time to wrap it, so you know what? Here's your present.
Huh? What is this? You got me a tablet! Oh man, you actually got me a tablet. You got me in like a tablet in like 3 seconds and like,
Did you just install those apps?
Yeah, in like 5 seconds, I guess. I don't know. This is the best thing ever!
I hope you like it. So, what about that thank you?
No!
Well, I hope you have a good time with that tablet. You are a very rude person, you know that?
I'm not a person, stupid.
Well, I'm going out to see you later. Bluebird, I need to talk to you. Shut off your game.
Let me beat the level.
No, I gotta talk to you now.
It's my last life. Let me beat the level. What do you want?
I just got the check in the mail.
So?
I just spent $380 on the Play Store.
What? Oh no! It's probably you buying all those. It's probably Albert buying all those video games and crap.
Bluebird, tell me the truth.
Okay, maybe I've been playing some games lately. Alright, I've been playing Magic 2013, and I freaking been playing Clash of Clans, and I've been playing Candy Crush a little bit, and yeah, dude, I don't know, it was like I don't know, the gems was only like 99 cents, but the paintbrush was like $40.
Well, Bluebird, I'm gonna have to sell your tablet now.
No! You'll never take my tablet!
Bluebird!
Greenbird!
What?
Let me record you. Let me take a picture of you.
Do you have to take a picture of me?
Yes! Alright, are you ready for the funniest picture ever?
Oh, wait. Wait, hold on. I paused it. Okay.
Funniest picture ever?
Yeah.
There we go. Greenbird, look at the picture.
Okay, wow.
It's you, stupid.
Okay.
You can see the camera. Are we being spied on? It's funny.
Yeah, you know what? That's real mature. That's super. That's Mel Brooks right there. Yeah, sure. That.
Yeah, it's hilarious.
I got a comment on my save here on Gary's Mod.
What does it say?
Says that.
I love this map.
Yes! I finally got a freaking comment! I'm so happy!
Hi, Redbird! You're stupid! You're a piece of crap! Nobody likes you! You're a big fat piece of crap! I freaking hate you! You fat ass!
I'm trying to sleep! Oh, what's going on? What does that little bastard want now? I'm trying to work on, I don't know if I was sleeping or working on our new room, but it doesn't matter. Bluebird's like screaming into his tablet. I think he's using like auto rap or something. What do you want?
I made all these songs! I'm a rap god!
What?
I wanted to hear this one. I made this one just for you.
What? No! Don't dance! Don't dance! Okay. Get back here! Shut up! This guy is big. I regret giving
What
that
the
guy.
hell is all with this screaming? I'm telling you to go to thing. Get out of here to go to thing in the top. Get out of here to go to thing in the top.
Hey!
I want to eat a steak in this house and peace and quiet.
You know, I really regret giving Bloober that tablet.
Throw it away.
I can't, because then he's gonna get all mad at me.
Can I be a rapper?
You can be a rapper, but don't insult people, alright?
Okay, you're stupid retard. I hate
Shut
you.
up!
Go to hell.
Shut up! Shut up! You don't sag your pants like a man!
Men don't sag their pants, Bloober. That's just retarded.
I do not sag my pants. I egg my pants.
Bluebird, I mean Greenbird.
What? I want to eat a steak.
You're not even eating a steak. You're just standing there.
What are you doing?
I want turn sideways.
No.
I'm gonna make this cool. Betcha. Now stand sideways.
Is this another troll?
No, it's not another troll. It's a picture, but it's called Yabba
It's called what?
Zombie Booth.
No. Okay, I don't want to do this.
Do it.
Shh. Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay. Move that right there. And I'm gonna move it there. And I'm gonna move it there. And I'm gonna do that. And yeah. So I'm gonna take a picture. It's funny.
Warning, this next photo contains a really disturbing image. If you are satisfied as, let's say, sensitive, please do not look at this picture. You will have nightmares, so bye.
Are you ready?
doing?
Are you
No.
floating? You ready?
What is this crap?
Look at this.
What the hell?
Look at it.
I look like a freaking retard.
You're a zombie.
Ah! It's hot. What the hell?
You like it? Do you like it?
No! Get rid of that.
No, wait. Whoa.
No.
Look at that.
No.
Oh, you can see the face. You can see your face in there.
No.
Red eyes. Yay.
You're not.
It's okay because you're a big fat stupid dog, Greenbird.
Oh, great glasses. Is that supposed to be racist to Australians or something?
Go munch on a cow.
Alright, everybody. we gotta make Bluebird get rid of that tablet. He's been using that way too much, you know what I'm saying, guys? So,
I can't sleep.
exactly. So, anybody know a way how to get rid of this tablet?
The Mighty Eagle will smash it! 2 billion of pieces until dust! Yeah!
Matty Eagle, get out of here.
Okay. Mighty Eagle, away! I did not go far.
Alright, so,
Here we go. There we go. Okay, I'm walking now. Here we go! Ah!
okay. So anybody know a way? Hey, we can make him play Five Nights at Freddy's. We can make him play Five Nights at Freddy's. No way, that game's been totally overwritten, alright?
Overrated! I'm gonna kill you for that!
Okay, so, I thought of the perfect idea, guys. And it's to make him play the game. A game that has been the worst of them all. It'll make him define the truth of life. Alright, guard, go in.
Wait, what are you doing here?
Because it is disgusting to my kind. Watching me as a... Just go and tell him about the game.
Yeah.
Ow! Hi, Gary. What you doing?
Yeah, scoreboard. Never mind. This is it.
What? What do you want me to do?
That's it, dog. I found this cool game.
Okay, I'm gonna play. What the heck? Wait a minute. What? Wait, what? Red? Me? What? The pigs? No. No. The whole time I was born from a computer simulation.
Don't come to this land no more! Don't come back! Push it on off the cliff! And that, kids, is why you never give a 3-year-old a tablet.